My name is Andrzej Mazur. I'm a supervisor in Mendicity Workshop. Mendicity Institution is the oldest Dublin charity running for over 200 years that support people experiencing homelessness and social exclusions. We're running several projects at the moment. The core of our institution is a day center for people that can have a meal, chat, coffee, tea. The other project would be our workshop, where we getting people that comes to the institution and we sign them for this workshop program for 1 year. The workshop itself, it's a upcycling and recycling idea work, where we get the pallets, we break them in parts, we produce from them flower boxes and other art and craft products. Our stock is then sold on different markets or direct sale through the website or social media. And we have also friend markets that they do the sales for us.